Presenting before you a beautiful, lovely Indian thali for the occasion of Holi. In this thali, I have prepared dahi bade and some sweet and sour tomato chutney, gujiyas, which is a must for Holi, some namkeen salted snacks known as nimki, and zafrani pulao or saffron flavored pulao of basmati rice, jackfruit curry, and to combine all the flavors we have mandatory recipe for Holi, that's thandai. Hey guys, I am Subankari and I welcome you all to my channel Sus Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. Let's begin with this awesome recipe of thali. First we'll prepare hing kachori. So for that I have taken a whole wheat flour or atta 1 cup and all purpose flour or maida 1 cup. So I just need to mix this two flour and add some flavoring. So as this thali consists of many dishes, so what I'll do, I'll just show some of the dishes and some I have previously uploaded. So I'll just give the link in the description box. Here I have taken half teaspoon of assafoetida or hing and I have mixed with 2 tablespoon of water, and this flavored water goes to this dough. And then some few ingredients more, kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves, I'll add around 1 teaspoon. Oil I have added 3 tablespoon, any cooking oil except mustard oil, and then I'll add salt 1 teaspoon and fine semolina or suji 2 tablespoon. If you have the regular suji, you can always blend it to make it fine. And now I'll mix all the ingredients till the dough attains this type of consistency. That means if we just fold it or I'll just press it, so this attains a certain shape in this way. So that's very important for a good kachori. And then I'll add water little by little to make a soft dough, neither too hard neither too soft, medium consistency dough in this way. And this goes for rest for around 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes I'll just show you the texture. Perfect texture for a kachori is somewhat like this. It should be stretchable yet it should be firm. And now I'll roll out small size dough balls in this way, sprinkle some dry flour, and then I'll start rolling this to medium shape puris, and this is slightly thicker than the regular puri. And meanwhile I have heated oil. Once the oil is heated on high flame, I'll reduce the flame to medium high, and then I'll add the kachoris, and the thickness is somewhat like this. And this now goes into the oil. As I said, I had heated nicely, then I had reduced the flame to medium high, and then I'll add the kachoris, and this will start to float on the oil, and then I'll use my spatula to just pour some hot oil on the top of it, and it will puff instantly. Flip it over once it's puffed, and then let it cook for around 30 to 40 seconds the other side till it turns slightly golden, and my kachori is ready. And this kachori has a beautiful distinctive flavor of kasuri methi, dried fenugreek leaves and assafoetida, and it's ready, perfectly done. And my next menu is tomato chutney. This has a very typical flavor, and I'll prepare this in pressure cooker. 2 tablespoon of oil goes in, and to it I'll add 2 dried red chilies, cumin seeds half teaspoon. All the cooking procedure is on medium high flame. And then mustard seeds goes around half teaspoon, ginger 1 each, and 1 to 2 green chili. I have actually crushed it and added 80% of the crushed mixture, 20% I'll leave it. I'll just tell you the purpose, and then once done, saute it for 10 seconds, then I'll add hing or assafoetida a pinch. Basically we are preparing a flavorful tadka or tempering. And then to it I have added diced tomato 300 grams. This goes in. These are the organic desi ones, and so they have a very peculiar sour taste. And once sauteed for 1 to 2 minutes, turmeric powder goes in 3/4 teaspoon, and dates I have added around 8 to 10. So dates have their own natural sweetness, so you can adjust jaggery powder accordingly. Jaggery powder goes in around 100 grams, and salt half a teaspoon goes in. Give everything a nice mix, and then water goes in on 100 ml because tomatoes will release their own moisture. So give it a mix, and to this there goes a special flavored water. The remaining 20% of the crushed ginger and garlic, to it I'll add around 2 tablespoon of water and strain only the juice and extract the ginger and garlic, crushed ginger and garlic, and that goes in. Cover it and cook it on high flame for 1 whistle, and once the whistle arrives, reduce the flame to lowest and then wait for one more whistle. And this I have lowered the flame and one more whistle, and then I will wait, switch off the flame and wait till the cooker cools down naturally. And once it has cooled down, I'll carefully open the lid, and these tomatoes have become super soft. The dates are also perfectly cooked. Now switch on the flame and increase to highest, and in high flame give it a mix. Actually we want this chutney to be of mashed consistency, semi thick consistency. So on high flame I'll add few more ingredients. Raisin goes in around 2 tablespoon, and at this stage half teaspoon of cumin and red chili dry roasted. I had taken 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 3 dry chili, and I had that roasted them and then crushed them. That powder goes on half a teaspoon. It will give immense flavor to this chutney. Give it a mix, and you can also use a potato masher in this way to mash this chutney. This will just fasten the process to thicken this chutney. Increase the flame to highest till the chutney starts to thicken. You can adjust amount of jaggery if you want little bit more, and it's ready. Next on my thali is dahi vada. Dahi vada is made in n number of ways in India. This one is for tempering. Actually I had loaded the full recipe of dahi vada. I'll give the link in description box. Here I am just showing you making of the vada. Here the batter is ready of urad dal, and I have just I'll use my hands to make varas in this way. Apply some water and pick a small amount, and then make a small hole in between and drop them in hot oil very carefully. Detailed video is already uploaded. I'll just give the link, you can check it out. Just fry for 1 minute on one side and then flip it over. Once the varas are golden and crisp, I'll transfer them immediately to a bowl of salt water. This has two functions. First, it will make the varas extremely soft, and second, right amount of dahi will be absorbed once the varas are soaked in water. After 10 minutes, I'll squeeze gently to drain the soaked water and dip it in the prepared curd mixture. It's flavored with some spices. As I said in my detailed video, you can get the entire procedure, and same thing I'll repeat with all the vadas in this way. And this type of dahi vada is favorite and specially made in the occasion of Holi. And once this dahi vada is done, I will prepare a tempering. Oil goes around 1 tablespoon, 2 dried red chilies, few curry leaves, around 10 to 15 I need. So once this oil is hot, I'll add the dried red chilies first, then goes mustard seeds or rye around half teaspoon. This gives a very nice flavor to the varas, and then cumin seeds 3/4 teaspoon goes in. This tempering will do in medium high flame, and then the curry leaves, let it crackle, and the tempering is ready. Once it is done, it will take around 10 to 15 minutes on medium high flame. This tempering goes on the top of the prepared dahi vada, and believe me, the taste will just elevate to another level. Give it a mix, and my tempering is ready. And once done, as I said, I'll just pour it over the dahi vada, and all the flavors of this tempering goes inside this dahi vada. And after it's done, I'll sprinkle the powder, that was cumin seeds and dried chili powder that we had prepared. That goes in, and all the taste will be beautifully combined in this yogurt or dahi. Do check out the full recipe. Just let it rest for 10 minutes, and then I'll serve the varas by sprinkling the powder, as I said. And then on this thali was Holi special gujia or karanchi or padaki, anything you can call it. I have two full detailed video on this, and these were lovely, turned out to be super crisp. And then I had prepared thandai. Thandai is a sweet drink prepared in summer specially, and it has a special value on Holi. And yes, again I have a full detailed video on thandai, so do check that out. I'll give the link in the description box. Lovely thandai mixture is ready. This is my homemade, and it has a completely different taste from that we get in market in bottles. And once prepared and once it gets cold, I'll store them in bottles, and it can be used for 2 to 3 months in fridge once kept in fridge. And this mixture, I'll just use a funnel to strain it, and this goes in my bottle. And then we'll prepare thandai. It can be prepared instantly once this mixture is done. It has some lovely dry fruits, rose petals, gulkan, some spices to lower your body heat in summer. Lovely flavor and lovely combination. So here for thandai, I have taken milk 2 glass. It is boiled and cooled. And to this, I'll add around 3 tablespoons of this thandai mix that we had made. Do check out the recipe of this thandai mix. You will love the flavor. And ice cubes goes in, and now I'll blend to prepare thandai. Refreshing and healthy thandai at home is ready. And then to complete this, I have kathal or jackfruit curry. This recipe was uploaded recently in my channel, and jackfruit curry is very similar to that of non-veg or meat curry, and my jackfruit curry had a special touch, especially adding 1 tablespoon of ghee lastly, and boiling this jackfruit with onions initially. Check out this recipe. You will love the recipe and love the flavor. So all my ingredients are ready. Now let's serve this thali. First goes zafrani pulao. This is one of my favorite pulao, lovely flavors of saffron or kesa. And then comes the jackfruit curry, beautiful bold flavors, the namkeen or snacks. Holi is all about celebration. Hing kachori goes in, and then comes gujia, mandatory in every Holi, and the sweet and sour tomato chutney. And then we have dahi bare. Dahi bare is something different from dahi bhalla. It's the dahi vada with tempering, and there goes some dahi, and not to forget the magic mixture of cumin and dry chili. This really adds to the zing. And then 1 glass of fulfilling and refreshing thandai, kesar thandai, lovely flavors, and my Holi thali is ready. This is my version of Holi thali. You can add items according to your wish. I just love all the flavors. You can see how beautiful it's looking. Lovely combination, and all the dishes are homemade. Some recipes you can, as I said, I'll give in the description box and check it out. I have already uploaded, and some I have just showed you in this video. Elaborate preparation, so just needs time. With family members this can be enjoyed, and for such occasion in Holi in India, we just need some reason to celebrate food, and this festival is one of them. All the things can be altered according to your taste, but this is my version of combination. Do try out this combination of Holi thali and let me know how it turned out. And now it's time for the comment of the day, and today's comment of the day is from Pradipta Kumar Sahu. He writes, really your recipes are fantastic. Thank you for sharing your personal tips and tricks with us. Thank you so much Pradipta for loving my videos, liking my videos, and taking out some precious time to comment on my videos. Thank you so much for all your love. And for today's recipe, this is one of my favorite combinations. I have added all the lovely items that we generally prefer or we generally make in Indian homes for Holi. I hope you have liked the combination and my version of Indian veg thali in Holi. If you have liked the video, do give a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my page and share with your family and friends. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.